Workshop Addict will show you how to check the EGR cooler for leaks, using a simple and effective method that anyone can do at home. The EGR system, or exhaust gas recirculation, is designed to reduce emissions by sending part of the exhaust gases back into the engine's intake. The EGR cooler helps to lower the temperature of those gases using the engine's coolant. But over time, the cooler can develop small cracks inside, which can cause coolant loss, white smoke, or even rough idle. So it's important to check it if you suspect internal leaks. Now let's go step by step. Step 1. I found a regular tire valve. Installed it into a small hose. And secured it tightly with a clamp. This will be used to pressurize the cooler with air. Step 2. The other end of the cooler needs to be sealed. I used a rubber plug and tightened it with another clamp to make sure no air escapes. Step 3, then I pumped air into the cooler, about 3.5 bars of pressure. You can use a compressor, a tire inflator, or even a hand pump. Step 4, now it's time to test for leaks. Submerge the EGR cooler into water. The side that connects to the exhaust gases should go under. The coolant openings are sealed, so if there's any damage inside, you'll see air bubbles coming out. If no bubbles appear, the cooler is fine. If you see bubbles, it's leaking internally and needs to be replaced. Quick, simple, and very effective way to test an EGR cooler without expensive tools.